What you doing? No, leave it there. Put it down so Kitty needs to eat. Peyton, let the kitty eat. Is that your kitty? Don't push her head. Don't push her head. Yeah, you pet, but no push.
No pet. No pet.
Yes, pet. What's your kitty's name?
Peyton.
That's Peyton's name. What's your kitty's name? Wendy?
No, Billy. Baby.
Wendy?
No.
What?
Hulk.
What?
Kitty.
Yeah, that's Kitty.
What kitty?
That's Peyton's kitty. Yes.
Oh, kitty.
Yeah.
Kitty.
Peyton's?
Kitty.
Peyton's kitty?
Yes.
Yes.
Kitty.
Peyton? You want some chicken?
No chicken. Baka baka.
Baka baka.
No baka.
You want some?
Chicken.
You want some noodles?
No noodles. No chicken.
You want a squeezy? Yeah, you want a squeezy?
Yeah.
What color? Purple?
No blue.
Blue? Red?
No red.
I don't have blue. I have purple or green.
No green.
Yellow?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yellow.
Well, yellow?
Yeah.
What about orange?
No.
No. How many do you want?
Red.
You want 2?
Yeah.
How many?
2.
That's 5.
Yes.
Where are you going?
Picture.
It's a picture?
Yeah.
Here, look. Look right here.
Uh-uh.
Say hi, Grandma.
No, Grandma.
Say hi, Nanny.
No, Nanny. No.
Say love you.
No, love you.
Don't say love you. No love you. No love you. No? No love you? Say love you. Don't be rude.